Problem 11. Sketch within a cubic unit cell the following planes. So A, B and C. So first one is 0, 1 bar, 1 bar. Okay, so let's draw the unit cell first. Okay, so let's suppose this is the unit cell. So we have to draw a plane 0, 1 bar, 1 bar. So 0, 1 bar, 1 bar. So we will adopt a procedure. So in which case I will take the reciprocal of these values. So 0 will be infinity, 1 bar will be minus 1, 1 bar will be minus 1. So infinity will show that it is this point will be this plane will be parallel to the x-axis. So x-axis, y-axis. No, sorry, this is z-axis, and this is y-axis. So this will be parallel to x-axis, and then it will intersect at y and z-axis at minus 1 coordinates. But we can. But if in this case, if we will take minus 1, so the plane will be outside of the unit cell. But that is correct. Okay, plane can be outside of the unit cell, but maybe if we want to draw the plane, if you want to sketch the plane within a unit cell, so we need to shift the origin. So origin will be shifted by one place where it is negative. So just like in this case, it will be negative 1. So I will shift along the y-axis and along the z-axis by 1. Okay, so the origin will be shifted here. Origin will be shifted here. So this will be the new origin. Okay, because this is along the y-axis a point 1, and along the z-axis it is also a distance of 1. And then from here, now the plane will be, from this point the plane will be parallel to x-axis, and now from this new origin, relatively from this new origin, this plane will intersect y-axis at minus 1. So from here, from this origin, a minus 1 distance will be negative y direction. So this will be one point of intersection, and for z-axis this will intersect from this origin up to here. So one point of intersection will be here, the other point of intersection will be here, and therefore we will join these 2 points. Okay, and this will be one edge of the plane. The other edge of the plane will be here, because in this way this plane will be parallel to the x-axis. So this will be the plane. So this will be the plane. So the next plane which will be sketched, it will be one 2 bar. So reciprocal of this will be 1 1 minus 1 by 2. Okay, so this plane will then intersect these axes at 1 1 and minus 1 by 2. So I need to draw this unit cell. A unit cell I need to draw. So let's suppose this is the unit cell, y-axis, z-axis, x-axis. So our points of considerations are 1 1 and minus 1 by 2. So here for the z-axis we need to change the origin. So our origin, because at z-axis the coordinate is negative, so we need to change the origin from here up to here by 1 point. Okay, and then we need to take these points relative to this new origin. So point 1 will be here, so this will be one intersection point, and this will point 1 along the positive y-axis, that will be another intersection point, and the third intersection point will be minus 1 by 2 relative to this. Okay, so minus 1 by 2 will be here. So these three will be the intersection point, and then we can join these points. Okay, so you can see that there will be this plane near to the top edge but slightly inclined towards the z-axis. Okay, so this will be the plane. Okay, so this will be the plane 1 1 2 bar. Okay, C is 1 0 2 bar. Okay, so change it to 1 infinity minus 1 by 2. Okay, so let me draw the unit cell, cubic unit cell. Okay, so this is the unit cell. So it should be draw the axis z, y, x. Okay, so yeah, there is a need to change the origin again over here. So the new origin will be here. New origin will be here. So point 1. So this will be first point, and since it is infinity, so this plane will be parallel to the y-axis. Okay, and the third point is minus 1 by 2 relative to here, so this will be here. So we can join these points, and this plane will be parallel to the y-axis. So since it is parallel to the y-axis, so maybe we can draw a line parallel to this y-axis, okay, to represent that this plane is parallel to y-axis. Okay, so and the other point will be here, because this point here, corresponding point. So you can join this point. So in this way we can get this plane. So this will be the 1, 0, 2 bar plane.